Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our last question, ninth one. What is that? They are given that. So one jet plane making angle of elevation at the point A with at some speed, it's going to travel from one place to another place. At one point, it's making angle 60 degrees at initial one. So when it is started, it's making angle 60 degrees at the point from the point A, and it is travel with a constant speed without changing any speed at the constant height. So this is the height 1500 root 3 meters height it's traveled, and after 15 seconds 15 seconds it's traveled to the some distance. So from C to E it's traveled after 15 seconds. So from C to E with the height same 1500 root 3 meters only. But what we have to find it here is what is the speed, that is constant speed, at what speed it's traveled to travel from C to E, and what distance it gets traveled, and what the height. So this is the way. So first of all we have to find what is the distance formula, that is distance speed formula will be equal to, so speed will be equal to distance by time, time. So what is the distance here? So distance will be equal to CE. So here speed of the plane, jet plane. So jet plane speed will be equal to, let's going to take as distance will be equal to CE by time will be equal to 15 seconds. So 15 seconds. So CE by 15. So this is the speed of jet plane. So we have to find CE. So CE is nothing but what here? BD. So CE will be equal to BD. So that one we can calculate it by using of AD minus AB. Then we will get it as BD. AD minus AB, we will get it as BD. Now what is the case here? What we have to find it? Let's going to consider triangle ABC. Triangle ABC in triangle ABC. So what is the BC? The height BC will be equal to 1500 root 3 meters. And what is the angle A here? Angle A will be equal to 60 degrees. Angle A will be equal to 60 degrees. So let's going to consider what is the trigonometric ratio in order to find this. Opposite by adjacent, that is tan. So let's going to take tan A will be equal to opposite side by adjacent side, tan A will be equal to tan 60 degrees. Opposite BC by adjacent side will be AB. Tan 60 degrees is nothing but what? So root 3 will be equal to BC is nothing but what? BC 1500 root 3 by AB. So AB will be equal to 1500 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 will going to cancel, then AB will be equal to 1500 meters. 1500 meters. So 1500 meters. We got that one value. Then what is the AD? So same triangle we have to consider here. In triangle ADE. So AD we don't know, but ED we know. ED will be equal to 1500 root 3 meters. Angle A also we know. What is the angle A? 30 degrees. So one place to another place it gets traveled after 15 seconds. Then what is the tan here? Tan A will be equal to, opposite side is what? ED by, what is the adjacent side? AD. ED will be equal to 1500 root 3 by AD we don't know. Tan 30 degrees will be equal to 1500 root 3 by AD. So tan 30 will be equal to 1 by root 3, 1500 root 3 by AD. So this one cross multiplied, AD will be equal to what is that? 1500 into root 3 into root 3. So what value we will get it here? So 1500 into root 3 whole square. Square root will going to cancel. Then what is the AD value? So AD will be equal to what is that? 1500 into 3. So 15 3s are 45. So 00 AD. So that is the meter. AD will be equal to, what is that total? 4500. Then what is the distance it gets traveled? So what is the distance? That is CE will be equal to BD. That will be equal to AD minus AB. So AD is nothing but what? 4500 minus AB is nothing but what? 1500. So what is the 1? 0 0 0 0 5 5 0 3. So 3000 meters. So CE will be equal to 3000 meters. So this distance is 3000 meters. So what is the speed? Constant speed. So we know that speed will be equal to distance by time. So what is the distance? We know that CE by time will be equal to 15 seconds. So CE will be equal to 3000 by 15. So 15 ones are 15 twos are 200. 15 twos are 30. That is meters per second. So speed will be equal to constant speed 200 meter per second. 200 meter per second. So that is what? 200 meter per second speed. So jet plane traveled with the constant speed at 200 meter per second with the distance 3000 meters after 15 seconds from C to E. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.